This is our favorite fishmonger, yes? Rosario, number one fish market in
Big anchovies.
big anchovies. We're going to make salted anchovies, and we're getting 2 kilograms, 2K. Yeah.
Get them ready for the salting.
Yes. And we'll come back in a few minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Grazie. Well, where are we, Johnny? On the
We're
marina?
at the marina, the Marina Porto del Etna in Riposto, Sicily. And our mission today is what?
Well, we got a call from Rosario, fishmonger,
At the fish store.
and he says, "I have the big anchovies that you want to salt." So we've picked up 2 kilograms of that. We just went for a walk. He's cleaning them,
Yeah.
and then we're going to salt them this afternoon.
Yeah, and then we're gonna look for the medium-sized salt and
pepper.
The pepper,
Yes.
ground pepper to finish making them. There we go.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
All right. We are here at the marina. Really nice again. Nice marina. And we've just told you about the anchovies, but we're also doing a bunch of shopping for Easter.
Pasqua.
Easter.
Easter Sunday.
Yes. And oh, Joe, look at that new. That's a new one over here. Wow.
Now that's a Paloma Picasso red.
That's your favorite lipstick color.
Paloma Picasso
Rouge.
Mon Rouge.
And we're heading to coast. You see the church in the background. Just below it is the fishmonger, and that's where we're heading. Right there to pick up the
anchovies.
the anchovies. Right?
But we're also shopping today for some Easter
Yes.
items
Yes.
for Sunday.
Yeah. We're gonna make sure we have everything perfect. Ciao. Let's go, Joan.
Here we go.
There we go. Okay.
These are the anchovies.
Yes.
Big ones. We bought 2 kilograms. We bought 2 kilograms.
Rosario, Orazio wants to know where we buy the medium salt.
The medium salt.
Medium salt.
You go to the supermarket.
This is, they have it?
The
Co-op?
We have
And
the salt
and the medium?
and the medium. Yes.
Okay, and what about pepper? He wants a certain pepper.
Pepper, now me is washing the fish.
Okay.
When you go home, you put the salt, put the half the fish.
Yes.
You put it on the freezer or outside the freezer.
Yes.
You coming the way.
Yes, but Orazio also wants black pepper.
Black pepper. Also, in supermarket, you buy the black pepper, the salt,
Okay.
the medium salt,
All right.
and the oregano fresh.
Oregano? Oh, oregano.
Fresh.
Yes.
Or in the cheap
Oh.
or
Okay.
supermarket house.
We could get fresh oregano here?
If you like Orazio, you put some the red hot chili pepper.
Yes, that we have.
Yes.
Perfect.
Finish. You put the racho
Yes.
like this, the head and the tail.
Perfect.
Like this.
Yes.
Head, the tail.
Yes.
After 6 hours, you make this work.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry,
Did
my
you
English.
did you make our dishes ready to go? Our 2K?
Hey,
You cleaned.
you just clean it, just ready.
It's ready?
Yes.
Okay.
You go the co-op after you come back.
Okay, we're gonna go see Peter first, and then we go to the co-op, and then we come back.
Co-op, you come back.
Okay.
Leave me there.
Okay. Perfect. Ciao. We need oregano, right, John? This.
Oregano and pepper.
Yes.
So it's over here.
But no, we're gonna go look at what we bought, what we're buying today. We bought onions. Those onions.
Yeah, these.
And
Some
apricots, yes.
Some, what are those? Some figs.
Some figs. Yes.
Some apricots.
Yes.
Data.
Yes. And yeah, so that's what we got here. And some carrots, right? And we bought some carrots. And now we're going to get some oregano, fresh oregano, no?
So we got some savory. He calls it.
Oh, yeah. And garlic.
Salvo. He called it salvo.
And garlic, right?
Garlic, yeah, garlic. Sicily.
Sicily, yes.
Yeah.
And we also bought some. Sicily.
Sedano.
Yeah.
Sedano is
In Siciliano, accio.
Yes. And what are we looking for now? Oh, oregano.
Oregano, yeah.
Oregano.
Oregano siciliano.
Yes.
1, 2.
I don't know how big.
Sicily. Oregano siciliano,
Yes.
fantastico.
One.
Dell'Etna. Uno solo.
Oh, just one. So.
pepper for.
Do you have pepper? Black pepper?
I understand.
Black pepper. Black.
No, you don't speak English. Pepe. Yeah, madame. Piccolo.
No,
Pepe.
pepper?
Pepe.
Okay.
Madame, Pepe.
But that's too big.
Questo? Okay.
That's too big.
Piccolo.
Piccolo, yeah.
Yeah, piccolo? Black. Yes. The piccolo, yes.
One.
Just one.
One. Okay.
Ciao.
Finish.
I think, do you have a medium salt?
1%.
Salt.
Salad.
No, salad, no.
No salad? Okay, perfect. Then we buy. No salad.
Fantastico, number one.
Yes.
Technique of Deborah.
Perfecto, no?
Arega vuole chiavere e non chiave. Picchi la terra e alza lo sole.
Give him a hug.
Sopra la pelle mia sento lo sale. Fantastic. That's Sicily of Deborah.
The best. Sicily, the best.
4 euro.
Here we are at the co-op looking for medium salt, right? We did the pepper, right, Joni? We got the pepper, yes?
Yeah, we got the pepper.
So now we're going for medium salt, right? Buongiorno. Question. Medium salt. Salt. No salt? Anchovies. Making anchovies? Salt?
Coffee?
No.
Anchovies to put in salt. Salt.
But- Excuse me.
Naturale.
Not big, not medium.
No grande, no
Questo qua aiutato. O questa qua.
medium.
This is little.
This is salt. This is pepper. Yeah, you said purple, no?
No.
Or you want big? No?
Aspetta che io ce l'ho. Ce l'ho.
Oh, okay.
Ce l'ho.
You have
Oh, small.
Io come sono io? Efficiente.
Loredana.
Dillo, efficiente.
Loredana. You don't know what you're talking about.
Mai is efficiente.
You're just you are perfect.
No, efficiente. Non c'è, no. Questo,
Grosso ce l'abbiamo? Noi?
no. Non c'è niente. Te l'ho detto, no?
Oh. Yeah.
And
So-
Miss me, didn't you? Yes.
So 3 ingredients.
Rosario said that this could be good.
This is the right salt, he said. The Rosado.
Do you think it's too
Ho
fine?
mischiato un po' di pepe.
No, it's perfect. Even more than
I'm washing
No,
them,
it's not perfect.
L'anno scorso non era
She's
quello.
washing over there.
Okay, what are you? You're washing them?
I'm washing with salt.
Let's have a peek there.
First layer complete.
First layer is complete. Do we put the red pepper too? Red. Do we do red pepper?
Dai,
Qua.
non ti sto più mostrato?
Sì, sì. Di pepe e sale ho messo. Lo so, hai tolto un po' di sale se vuoi.
Head tail.
Sì, lo sto facendo.
Sì, sì, grazie. You taught me yesterday. No, last year.
Questo come ho?
Last
spring,
spring.
al contrario.
When we were here in
Sì.
April, May.
Okay.
Vado incontro, ok.
More salt. Efficient. Loredana and yeah, don't touch.
Non mi faccio.
Don't touch. Loredana
Se
efficient.
non mi metti i guanti.
Yeah,
Ok.
Loredana efficient.
Pardon?
The perfect day to have wine. While we do
Yeah.
anchovies. What do you call it? Anchovies and
Anyway.
salt, or what the? How do you say it in Italiano? Or in,
Acciughe salate.
Acciuga
Salate.
Salate.
salata.
what is a choco? What is a choco?
Acciuga.
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 Achuga.
Angiovi.
Oh,
Anchovy.
oh, achuga. Anchovies.
Yes.
Achuga means salted.
No, acciuga means
Sotto
anchovy.
sale.
Oh, anchovy.
Are we gonna? Are we having some with oil and lemon?
Oh, should we do some with oil and lemon?
No.
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 No olive oil? Nothing. Nothing. Plain. No water, nothing. One more layer?
One.
Yeah, to the rim. Because then they throw the water out and
And then you have to put something heavy on there.
Yeah. Oh, wine is always good.
you have to put a bowl or a plate and then because all the water will come up.
Ah, right.
They will be ready in 1 month. So
1 month. Today's
May
the
15th.
17th.
May 15th?
May
we can
15th.
try.
Okay. Then I can hardly wait to try with olive oil and lemon.
Well, this is day May 14th, almost 1 month. These are the anchovies and salt that we made. And look how far it's gone down. Look how much liquid is on it. This is the anchovy layers there. This is all the liquid that has come out. And look how far down the weights have gone. Tomorrow, this is going to be ready for anchovies in oil and lemon. Oh, they are so good. Or on top of the way they are on top, you wash them first, of course, get all the salt out, and then it's ready to rock and roll. Buck Zuma. Ciao.